Sawadee Krap, Mengalaba, Selamat Datang. I'm trying to speak the other language as much as I can to reach the people who will be watching this video. Today I'd like to talk about something that's bothering me last night that I myself couldn't sleep. It's all about the topic of climate change. You may have thoughts at the back of your mind, and you may be asking why you're making this video. I'm making this video because for awareness. If you are a person you haven't heard about the climate change yet, then you're fortunate enough that you click this video, and you're fortunate enough that you click this video because you're watching this, because just by watching this clip, you will realize, totally seriously, you will realize how serious it is, the climate change. So, what is climate change? Let's try to explain it as simplest way as possible that I can. As I promised you, for the end of this video, you will realize how serious it is. Climate change, let's go back to the simplest way. It's simple. It's basic science, and it's basic physics and chemistry. The physics and chemistry that we have known for even a century, since 19th century. So the carbon dioxide, your methane, your nitrous oxide, as well as your ozone are the primary greenhouse gases on Earth's atmosphere. That means that it's relatively transparent to visible light, but opaque to infrared. So making it simpler, the light comes into the Earth and the heat gets trapped. That's what happened to greenhouse gases. So if you put more greenhouse gases like CO2, the more heat gets trapped. And since the more heat gets trapped, sooner or later, the Earth turns into not so compelling, but Earth has to warm up. And for the last 1980s, there was a scientist who said that for the next 50 years, the Earth has to warm up from its. So it's been almost 50 years since 1980s. It's been almost 30 years since 1980s. So it's happening now. Seriously, it's happening now. Now, this video isn't all about the facts. It's not all about the science. It's all about the values that I would like you to know. I care about, as much as I would like to explain it, but I care about the world. I care about the environment. I care about your family. I care about you. I care about your children's children. And I care about our future. We don't have the future with water and fresh air. Climate change will make the water more scarce and air more polluted. We know that climate change is changing here, over there, from where you are, and all over the world. And it's really happening now. The science is looking the impacts. Where can we look at the impact of the climate change? Climate change has impact onto the climate, impact onto humans, the impact on the sea levels, the impact on precipitation. And it is going to impact on what you're eating, the food production. It is going to impact the way that we people live our lifestyle. And would you like to know the most serious impact? It's biodiversity. Seriously, it's biodiversity that's even bigger than sea level surging right there. It's the decay of species. Species, the living thing here on Earth. It is common sense. I've got a quote right for you. It is common sense that we didn't leave the Stone Age because we ran out of stone. But we need to leave the oil age because all the burning of oil is not good for our climate. All the burning of oil that's happening right now is not good for us humans, not good for our world, not good for the climate. So you and I know that humans are responsible for this. It's not animals, but it's humans who are responsible for this. We know that it's going to affect our major source of our resources, the water, the air, the food that we eat. But the good news is, here, all the great things that we've done and we've been doing, such as the solar power, the wind power, hydroelectricity, and the turboplasma ultracapacitor that changes your car's emission from CO2 into H2O. It has been invented by a NASA aircraft engineer, and many more. There's a lot more of inventions that we can do even better, even more, to benefit ourselves and to give ourselves a more secure future. Now, the bottom line is that we humans have the power, our potential power is unlimited. If we have made something more disastrous to our environment, we can reclaim our environment. We can reclaim and make more good impact to our environment. And my action is not enough. So now I'm calling you right there, the one who's watching this video. Please take this opportunity to take your action. Do whatever you can to listen the climate change and the global warming. My action is just a part, but you and I, if we put it together, it will become the whole sum. Our actions will make this world a better place again. I'll leave you with that. This has been Lawrence, and thanks for watching this video.